In this video, I am analyzing the performance of four expert advisors. I am using MRG micro martingale in M1 time frame, and in the second chart I am using pi rate EA, and in the third chart I am using city scalper X2 EA, and in the fourth chart I am testing Night Hunter expert advisor. Now it is very difficult to analyze the performance in the account history. For this purpose, I am using last 3 months account history. This is 3 months account history of four expert advisors. Now right click and save as detailed report. Save the report and copy the report. Control C for copy and open Excel. Create a new sheet and paste the account history from MT4. By rate EA is using magic number 181818, and this is magic number of MRG micro martingale EA. City scalper is using this magic number, and Night Hunter Pro EA has two magic numbers. Magic numbers are shown in B column, and expert advisor name is shown in column C. In order to analyze the data, type equal sign and then click the B5, which is the magic number of expert advisor. And similarly, I am again typing equal sign and click the expert advisor name. Now select the cell, and where you can see the plus sign, double click here, and similarly select the cell, and at this point double click. These are magic numbers. Magic number, and this is EA name or name with magic number. Now select the data, press shift and click here. In this way all the data area has been selected. Now from data tab press the filter button. Here you can see that in the heading of this data there are arrow signs. Click this arrow sign, and here you can select the expert advisor. Now click OK. Column K, L, M and N has values. Now select these columns, and here you can see that there is a loss of minus 9.05. It means the expert advisor 1976 has a loss of minus 9.05. Now again select this magic number, press OK, and again select these columns. Here you can see that amount 16.73. 16.73. Now I am again selecting this expert advisor. This is City Scalper X2EA. Now I am testing the performance. There is loss of 185.91. And now I am selecting Night Hunter Pro EA, which has two magic numbers. Now I am selecting commission, taxes, swap and profit, and total of these columns are minus 14.16. Minus 14.16. This is profit loss. Now it is clear that the Pirate EA is working good. Now I am again testing the Pirate EA. I have selected the Pirate EA. The first trade of Pirate EA is from 27 July 2023, and the last trade is on 5 September 2023. In this way, I have analyzed the performance of four expert advisors, and till now Pirate EA is working fine. I hope you have liked this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Happy trading.